Welcome back to the channel. This will be a quick update for Bitcoin and DOMA, but let's get right into the Bitcoin chart. So we had resistance along this blue line and we have found support. So the main thing that we want to see for Bitcoin is for this support level to hold and to get a bounce off of this blue line. Now we also have this orange line that has been giving us resistance. So we want to see if Bitcoin is going to go above the orange line the next time that we make contact with it. But for now, staying above the blue line is still a bullish sign. And another thing to consider is that we are sitting below the 50 EMA, and this means that we are below average, so there is potential for some upside. So that is another bullish sign. Now I won't be talking about altcoins today, but tomorrow I will make some videos for different altcoin setups. But as long as Bitcoin holds this level, then altcoins should be in a good position for buys. But I would encourage patience, because even though the setups look good now, whales like to buy in cheap, so it could dump a little more. If we take a look at the weekly chart for Bitcoin, we see that there's still a little potential for a little more downside to touch this 50 EMA, and a bounce off this 50 EMA would be a good sign for the bull run to continue. But for now, let's just see how things play out. Let's see if this blue line ends up holding as support or not. So now moving on to DOMA. DOMA lost this white line as support, which is a pretty bad sign for anyone that's holding DOMA. But this could just be an opportunity to buy some cheap DOMA, and we want to look for a sign of reversal, and then we want to see if we climb back into this pattern again in between these two white lines. So for now, I'll keep an eye out for any sign of reversal, but we have clearly lost this white line as support, which is a sign of a further drop. Now, one thing I want to mention is that we had a pretty big move up over here after we had our Q3 earnings report for DOMA. So the strong sell pressure from here tends to cause a significant drop in the price, because a lot of people have sold, and so they are patiently waiting to buy back in cheaper. So some people will buy back in over here at the white line, but the ones with the big money are waiting to buy in at a discounted price over here. That's usually how things work. So if you have money and you're waiting on the sideline, this could potentially be a great opportunity to buy some DOMA at a discounted price. So that's going to be it. I hope you all have a great week, and I will be back tomorrow with some more videos.